Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to sign into Slack on mobile using a QR code. It's actually super quick and super easy. So let's get started. First, you want to open your Slack on your desktop or web browser, and then click on your workspace name at the top left corner. And from the menu, you want to select the Get Mobile app, this one. So once you click this will display a QR code right on your screen. What you want to do is you grab your phone and open the camera or QR code scanner app, then scan the QR code shown on your desktop. Once scanned, it'll redirect you to the App Store or Google Play Store where you can download the Slack mobile app. After installing the app, open it up and tap on Sign In. Then choose your preferred sign in method like Google, and then select your account. Just tap continue and give the necessary permissions, and Slack will automatically sign you into your workspace. That easy. That's it. You're now logged into your Slack on your mobile device using a QR code, fast, secure, and hassle-free. So if you found this helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe for more quick guides, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks!